Hey everyone, welcome to Silversmithing 113. This is the last class in the 100 series, and this is just a really simple test to see how well you've done so far. For your final exam, I want you to make this. Now, I don't want you to make an exact copy of what I have here, but I want you to use your own creativity to come up with your own version of what I have here. You should have 5 criteria. 1, want it to have a loose bail, a bail that's not attached to the pendant. 2, let's give it a solid backing so you have plenty to work with. 3, I want you to add as many droplets or granules as you can. 4, I want you to give it a raised rim. And 5, I want you to come up with your own attractive shape to make your pendant. I've done mine in a dog tag style, but you can do yours in any shape or style you want. That's it. Have fun, and feel free to email me your results or post a link to it in the comments below so we can all see what everybody's making. Good luck, and thanks for watching.